spring natin check.
Distance forward 1.5. Thank you.
Check yung spring natin check. Kinalagay ko sa bullard 35. So, mga limang bullard galing sa spring line. Yun yan, akin line.
Okay, sir.
Pwede na sila magbigay ng headline. Pang-limang bola.
Forward.
Spring.
Mula sa spring na main pass, pang 5 bollard, bigay na kayo ng
Headline.
headline.
Living line lang, living line. Abot na yun, 20 metros.
Kopya forward.
Sinasabi, yun ang kids.
Pag na mid pass na yung spring sa bollard, mula sa mid pass, pang 5 bollard, bigay na kayo ng spring. Ng headline.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yun ang kwarto for that.
Okay, sir.
Hindi, spring line na forward, sir.
Copy, sending spring forward.
Stop out.
Stop out.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Minus 10. Minus 10, sir.
The first 1.5.
1.5. Your word. Minus 10, sir. Stop out.
Ay, wala ano to. Kaya pala parang pinagkabalan ko eh. Wala palang music.
Ito rin si Palpon mo yan. Sabay yun.
Dito sa kagwan.
Spring line.
Alas 6,
Saan siya?
Copy forward, spring forward, make pass.
Ayos siya. Ayos siya. Nilero ko ba? Nilero mo ba yung balkon? Nilero mo ba?
Oo, yung taba.
Pinining ko din.
Baka sila yung kumuha na ng kargada natin.
Oh.
Talaga, hindi pa yan. Nagpapasa sa akin ng Biladraga.
My classmate is in there.
Pero ang ganda ng katwira niya. Sir, tawag na ito. Kailangan na. Yun ang magandang katwira.
Stop him up, spring forward.
Kakakaslog lang naman eh. Kung hindi naman kayo papayag, hindi
Para, spring forward, para.
Gusto ko lang maglaran.
Oo.
Spring.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Minus 10 already, sir.
Okay, okay.
Bow stop.
Zero feet.
0 feet.
Is 5.
Is high.
0 feet, sir. Stop bow.
Plus 10.
Plus 10. Area, spring forward.
Aris,
Plus,
Spring forward.
plus 10, sir.
Bawal to 4.
Bow 1 to 4.
Aris 5, sir.
Bow 1 to 4, sir. Plus 10. Spring forward, dapat lang sa tubig.
Midship.
Sir, dapat lang sa tubig.
Victor. Plus 2-0.
Plus 2-0. Victor.
Stop
Victor.
out.
Stop bow.
Arvin, sit na, sir.
Victor.
Victor. Eddie.
Arvin. Malaki ang Arvin. Wala pa.
Stop out.
Stop bow.
Victor 6
Plus 20.
Sir, Victor, sir. 5 o'clock.
5
Is
o'clock.
5.
Is 5.
Plus 2-0, sir.
Alam 6.
Stop bow.
Runner is 5 na, sir. Victor, 5 o'clock, sir.
Stop bow, sir. Plus 2-0, sir.
Wala na, sir.
Victor, sir. 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, Victor, sir. Wala na.
Stop bow, sir. Plus 2-0.
Still 5, sir. 7 o'clock, Victor, sir.
Speed 0.4.
8 o'clock,
Plus
Victor.
10.
Plus 10. Plus 10, sir. Last 10, stop bow.
8 o'clock, sir, Victor.
8 o'clock.
Wala pa yung dalawang. Barko nila. Yan.
Yan.
Hindi na yan. Gamit kapot yan. Kapot din daw yan.
Still S5, sir.
Balik na yun.
Last 10, sir.
Dalawang kapot yan.
Stop bow.
Still S5, sir.
Victor, sir, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Oh. Last 10, sir.
Very good.
Still S5, sir. 0.4 speed, sir.
Pareho mo lang spring ha.
Oh, sir.
Start lang.
Still S5, sir.
Forward, monitor lang yung spring mo.
9 o'clock, sir. 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Naka-slack kayo, sir. Spring line forward.
Dito sana pa kaman.
Thank you, forward.
9 o'clock, Victor, sir. 0.4 speed.
Still plus 10, sir. Bow stop.
Still S5. 9 o'clock, Victor, sir.
Pitch.
10, plus 10, sir. Bow stop.
Plus 5.
Plus 5. Plus 5, sir. Bow stop.
Still S5, sir.
Hindi na sila. Ano ko yung dulo dito? Sila. Inayos na lang siya.
Slack na rin. Spring line forward.
Copy, forward. Slack pa rin, thank you.
Still S5, sir. 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, sir.
Plus 5, sir.
Plus 10.
Plus 10.
Midship.
Midship.
Plus 10, sir. Bow stop. Victor, 9 o'clock.
RB chip, sir.
Dapat na lang. Is na yan. Maya. Handahan lang tayo. Walang takot. At least nandito na yung pinatap.
Sure na to.
Di pa nag 10 o'clock, di pa?
Wala ko, sir. Coming, sir.
Sige, is 5.
S5.
5. Plus 10, sir.
Spring forward.
Bakante na tayo. Handaan.
Copy, still slack
Rubber is
spring
5,
forward,
sir.
thank you. Victor, sir, 10 o'clock. Plus 10, sir.
S5, sir.
Is 5, very good.
0.3.
Plus 5, sir. Bow stop.
Bow 1 to port.
Bow 1 to 4.
Still S5, sir.
Bow 1 to 4, sir. Plus 5.
Kasi lang ako kay Panginoon.
Victor, sir, 10 o'clock.
Size.
Hapon pa.
Hapon pa.
Hapon pa. Hapon pa rin.
Hapon pa rin.
Stop bow.
Stop bow. Stop bow, sir. Plus 5.
Yeah, is 5, correct?
Still S5.
Very good.
Victor, sir, 10 o'clock.
Very good.
Kaya nga tinapulit siya kayo. Kasi ano problema ko?
Plus 2, 0.
Plus
Bawal
2,
talaga sa
0.
opisina niyo. Wala ka namang tama. Bigyan. Sabi ko,
Spring line forward.
Sabi niya, di ba?
Kaya na ako yun siya.
Still slap spring forward, thank you. Plus 2, 0, sir.
Clear tayo dito sa isang barko, sir. About 50 meters.
Copy up, clear. 50 meters. Thank you.
S5, sir. 10 o'clock.
Plus 5, chip.
Plus 5. Plus 5, sir. Bow stop. Still 10 o'clock. Door.
Still S5, sir.
Very good.
Plus 5 feet, sir. Victor, 10 o'clock, sir. Speed, 0.6, sir. Bow 1 to port. Rather still S5, sir. Bow 1 to port, no, sir. Plus 10, sir. Plus 10. Midship. Plus 10 feet, sir. Bow 2 to port. Bow 2 to port. Bow 2 to port, sir. Victor, 10 o'clock, sir. Plus 10, sir. Bow 1 to port. Stop bow. Stop bow, sir. Plus 1.5, sir. Bow 1 to port, sir. Bow 1 to port, sir. Midship, sir. Victor, 11 o'clock, sir. Bow 1 to port, sir. Stop bow. Plus 5. Bow stop, sir. 11 o'clock, Victor, sir. Plus 5 feet, sir. S5. S5 brother now, sir. Bow 1 to port, sir. Bow 1 to port, sir. Other still S5, sir.
About 50 meters,
11 o'clock, sir.
Yung lupin mo gamitin na siya lumitaw? Baka kakain ka ng plastic.
Pick up the slack at the spring forward. Pick up the slack. Pick up the slack.
Still bow 1 to port, sir.
Pre, ang kopa mo abin sa pangatlong bollard, ha?
yes, sir.
Plus 5 feet, sir.
0 feet.
0 feet.
Plus 3 lang.
Plus 3. Plus 3 feet, sir.
Is 5.
S5. Rather still S5, sir.
Spring now, always away from the water. No way. No way.
Plus
Always
3
away
feet,
from
sir.
the water.
Bow 1 to port, sir.
So after about meters, sir.
0 feet.
0 pitch. Midship. 0 pitch, sir. Stop bow. Midship rather now, sir. Sir.
S5.
S5. Plus 20, sir. Rather S5 now, sir.
Away from the water. Your spring line forward. Away from the water.
Plus 20 feet, sir. Victor, 11 o'clock, sir.
0 feet.
0 feet, sir.
Minus 10.
Minus 10, sir.
Bow 1 to 4.
Bow 1 to port.
Minus 20.
Minus 20, sir. Minus 20.
Midship.
Midship. Minus 20 feet, sir.
Bow 2 to 4.
Bow 2 to port, sir. Bow 2 to port, sir.
Moderate your spring forward. Make moderate.
Midship rather now, sir. Minus 20 feet, sir.
Stop engine.
Stop engine.
Make now moderate your spring forward. Moderate. And this is light.
Bow 2 to port, sir.
Okay, Abin.
Engine stop now, sir.
Bigay mo na spring mo, pilot brake. P5.
P5.
Go diretso, spring forward. Ano ba?
Rather P5 now, sir.
Last stage.
Plus 10.
Okay, big tight, big tight. Hold on, we are in position.
Plus 10, sir.
Stop bow.
Stop bow.
Plus 10 pa ka pa.
Bawat to starboard.
Bow 1 to starboard.
Okay, atras pa tayo ng ano, mga...
Two to starboard bow, sir. Stop bow.
Nakuha mo yung force line doon. Pick up, spring forward, pick up. 3 meters back.
Now, sir, again to number 3.
Midship rather now, sir.
Hold on muna spring. Hold on muna spring forward.
Sir, hold on to spring forward.
Hold on spring po pa.
Going to after line, sir.
Hold on spring po pa. Hold on. Numatras tayo. Sabi mo abim na.
Hold on, hold on.
Last thing.
Plus 10, sir.
Hold on, sir. Again to number 3, Bullard.
Forward, abim, number 8. Bullard. Okay, okay. Abante lang tayo ng 1 meter. Ang position na.
Yes, sir. 1 meter na crash.
Abante, abante.
1 meter.
Okay, make tight your spring forward. Position na. 1 to 4 now.
1 to port bow, sir. 1 to port bow.
Okay, okay na. Yung spring mo pro okay na.
Slide forward, heads up.
Go to port now.
2 to port bow. 2 to port bow now, sir.
Stop bow.
Stop bow.
Okay, almost parallel na kayo. Pro po pa. Dikit nyo na lang. In position na tayo. Lopez!
Sir, yeah. Yeah, stay line. Yeah, stay line.
Bawan to port.
Bow 1 to port. Bow 1 to port now, sir.
Bow.
Stop bow.
Isi-isi na lang. Isi-isi pagdikit. Huwag nyong bibiglayin.
Bow stop now, sir.
Okay, sir, easy.
There.
Oh,
Nagluko yung ano nila, control. Ha? Nagluko yung control ng makina, hindi na may
ano na? 12.
Lucy.
Anong first line?
Kanina, sir, yung pagkabit 0800, sir.
Ha?
0800.
12 chip. 12. Finish with engine. Tama na muna bro ha. Huwag muna tisahin. Sige, tisa po pa. Tisa.
Sige, sir, tisa po pa.
Sir? 0812, sir.
Yes, good morning. That was too late, yeah? So that was our maneuver. We have pilot on board. I was the one who maneuver for docking with the permission of the pilot. Nahuli, busy kasi. So ngayon lang tayo nakapag-video. This is our maneuver. From here, okay? And then turning here 180 degrees.
Well done.
That is on the radar. Here on the, this is here. We're coming from here, this one. Pilot boarded in this area. Then I was the one who maneuvered the vessel alongside up to finish with engine. Oh, it's alright. Once again, please welcome to my YouTube channel. Hindi ko na nakunan yung mga kasama ko kasi busy kanina. Bye-bye. Good morning.